morning. We are here for a most exciting event. We are here to inaugurate. We are here to inaugurate a new train service, a train that goes from all the way from Hanoi to Saigon. So exciting. You know, the conductors, the servicemen who are associated with the train are elegantly attired. Beautifully designed, beautifully done. Good morning, my friends. Good morning. There's that wonderful aroma here, by the way. Good morning, my friend. Good morning, my friend. Thank you. Look at this. Look at this little lavatory. There's a lavatory right in the hall. Of the cabins are designed with images of different scenic parts of Vietnam. And of course, Vietnam, I think it's probably the most scenic country in the world. This is a book which explains the whole journey, the trajectory. The journey is about, I'm told, about 30 hours. 30 hours of great food and service. You know, among the many impressive things about this magnificent train service here is they have a menu, and it is a very well done menu. And it has quite a selection of food that you can order, and the customer orders the food and they'll bring it to your cabin here. Or you can, there's also a dining car where you can go to and not only have food but a very nice lunch.